Sticking with weather, people across central Texas picking up the pieces after these tornadoes sweep through, causing damage to homes and businesses Monday night.
Fox 44's Brenshavia Jordan spoke to the Salvation Army and American Red Cross about how they are helping communities to rebuild.
American Red Cross Regional Director Lucy Walsworth says the tornadoes affected the entire region from Round Rock, Elgin to the Waco-Killeen area and all points in between. During times like these, the disaster action team is trained and ready to respond in the field to meet the needs of the community.
All these calls are going to be coming in, and so we're going to do the best that we can with our volunteers. They've been set up for this. They know what to do. This is something that they're being trained to do.
Walsworth says when the Red Cross receives a call for assistance, the disaster team gets to them as quickly as possible, assessing the resources they need.
To get our disaster action teams out in the field to be able to help those folks, whether they need financial assistance, whether they need their medications replaced because they were destroyed in the weather that happened yesterday. Maybe they need their eyeglasses replaced, and we can help that as well. And some folks, this is a very traumatic experience. They've never experienced anything like this before.
The local Salvation Army has teams on the ground today in Elgin, Round Rock, and Taylor helping communities. Texas Emergency Disasters Director Alvin Miguez told Fox 44 News they are actively working to serve people affected by last night's storm. He also added teams and volunteers are trained and prepared for disasters way before it strikes. As communities across central Texas pick up the pieces over the next several weeks, they don't have to do it alone.
We'll be there for them. We are a 24/7, 365 operation. Just because it's 5 o'clock, just because it's a Sunday afternoon, or just because it's a holiday, we don't stop.
If you or someone you know has been impacted by the recent tornado, visit the link on fox44news.com for assistance. In Waco, Brenshavia Jordan, Fox 44 News.